si 9040. Pwede ko man natin makalang vertical. Anyway, okay na. Okay. Greetings. We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of this couple and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Melvin and Freddy. Okay. Marriage is given to us for the full expression of love between a man and a woman so that the husband and the wife may cherish and delight in one another, comfort and help each other in sickness, trouble, and in sorrow, provide for each other in temporal things, pray for and encourage each other, and live faithfully in the length of your days. Remember, marriage is not something that two people invent or construct by themselves. It takes a community, especially after the kami kayo. Both families will come into one already, sabi ko man. Because you will be a part of that community. Therefore, having these couples here to celebrate their marriage to do as relatives and sponsors, sino ako na kayo sponsors? Very good. To support their union, tulong-tulungan tayo ako and to strengthen their lives, to speak the truth in love with them, to seek a life of love for others. As friends and their families and loved ones, we come to join them in the celebration of this moment in their lives. We affirm their desire to join together in marriage and we pledge support to their union. So, at that time, the family members tayo, the mother and father, the sponsors, maraming sunod ako, tulungan tayo ng opos.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Sige, is there anybody here today who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted with these couples? Na kumontrata yung ating marriage ako? One minute, so let us continue. Tagal tayo ng luwas, yeah. So to the bride, Freddy, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband to be? Very good. Melvin, you are here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife to be? Good. Sige matuwa. You take upon yourself the duties of the marriage and of your own free will and voluntarily. Very good. Agatibasu or sige. Wala kayo sa isa't isa. Again. I ask you now in the presence of these people to declare your intention to enter the union with each other. Sige muna ka. Melvin, naga mo, would you have Freddy to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, to be faithful to her as long as you shall live?
Yes,
Good. The bride, Freddy, will you have Melvin to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, to be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes,
Ano ba yung bulyo? Okay. Sige, promise tayo lang yan. As you start a new life as a husband and wife, to accept the Word of God, the foundation upon which you build your new home. Dapat natin kayong nagdadasal, and you get inspired, syempre, with our teachings of the God, of whoever who's in the life nyo, and keep it in your hearts forever. Ever. Okay? The ring. Anyone? The ring. A circle is a symbol of wholeness, perfection, and unity. Like circles, the rings have no beginning and have no end. They are tokens of the growing relationship that you have come here to celebrate and confirm. Sige, prove, Randy, masaya pa ito eh. Follow after nila yan. Ready?
Ready.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of my vow,
as a sign
and with that I am,
and with the
and all that I love,
and all that
I honor you.
I
Okay? They right, no? Ready? So, Melvin, I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, and all that I have, I honor you. So, ganda daw yung sige, first tayo, Melvin, ang dapat niya tayo bagat ni wife, sundo ni wife, kasi na-promise mo niya na. Ito ma, mag-ganda kay parents, relatives, pinigay ni sponsors. Hindi ka magharap kayo.
maybe kahit na anong mangyari, kung nangyari sa akin, dito pa rin ako para sa kahit sa buong buhay ko po. Sige yung ang buong ko ikaw lang ang aking mga
Very good. Now naman, pwede ano kahit may baga. Sa promise to your husband. To the parents, one naman, one from the blue and one from the... Ano naman masasabi mo natin for our loved ones, to our bride and groom, ma'am? Ano kahit may baga? Na wishes ka nila?
May bakat na. Masasabi ko naman sa inyong dalawa, pagkagising sa umaga, always pray before going out of your bed. Because without praying, hindi masunod-sunod yung parang gawain mo sa mga kapwa sa'yo. Before going out of your bed, we have to pray. Both of you have to pray both. Then go out to your work. Dagdagan ko yung sinabi ni Balae na yun ang mga sinabi niya, respect and yung mga magandang mga words ang dapat gamitin ng mag-asawa. Hindi porke may kasalanan yung isa, kung ano nang sinasabi, na siyang maghihiwalay sa inyo. Yun lang. At put God first in everything that you have to do.
you very much.
From the sponsors, walang inong-inang, walang masama. Nag-wish nyo ba pinadalilig ka sa akin? Sige, okay na. Next time, next time. Once again, please follow after me up. Face each other. Muna ka medyo follow after. I hereby take you, Frederick,
I hereby take you, Frederick,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have you to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until we part by death.
until we part by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn
Follow after me also. Begin. I hereby take you, Mendel, to be my husband, to have and hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Good. Thanks our parents. Okay. By the virtue of the powers vested in me, by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling on all present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted, and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, in the best part, you may now kiss the bride. First case, first case. First legal case. Yeah. Sige, sign tayo na po. Pa-assist ha? Nagiging sponsor sa pumawit na siya. Nagiging namina sa pumawit na. Witness, no? Kaya ako, once again, congratulations to the parents, congratulations again to everybody. How old mo yung anak mo?
5 years old.
Sino ka?
Thank you, Mayor.
Ako kaya. Sige, Trevor, picture tayo.
I see.
Sino ka?
Thank you.
Ulitin nga kayo. First man. First time. Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Oh, okay. Okay, the parents na po. Okay, okay.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, with the parents na. Solo. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. Ada sponsor sa ako?
Tapos of copy mo na yun, teka.
One. Okay. Oh, na nagpa-picture. Congratulations again.
Yung lahat.
Lahat sa... Layout lahat daw, kung pwede lang lahat.
Oh, sige.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.